This is Liberty's stock number 50924. It is a DCM model IG280SD rotary surface grinder, serial number 34601.
All right, let's walk around it a little bit. We'll come on up front and run some cycles. So got the front end, obviously, control, door, and we'll go this way around. Yeah, kind of show some of that. Got the coolant system down here with a guard, a pump. The dresser's laying down in there. There's a spare wheel that was with the machine, so we're just sending that along. And there's a wrench down there to take the nut off of the wheel. You can see the dresser, the red there. That all mounts up on the machine if they need to use it. Those CBN wheels, they don't use a dresser. Loop system right here. And of course the mist collector to your right here. That's this whole box. Turns on automatically when we run a cycle, you'll hear it. And then coming around here, of course, is table lube down low, which is kind of sits there, and all the connections for the electric panel. Coming with the main panel here, show some of that, watch your foot. I've got my temp line coming in here, 3-phase, 220 volts. All the drives, Mitsubishi PLC. That's straight in, small box there. Okay, and yeah, let's get an angle here, maybe off to the side. Yeah, let me sneak in here. And well, just to show a few pages, I know we got program managers here. This is the current main page to work with anyhow. I forget what they call it here, but open programs, save programs. We're not going to get into any of this, but just to show it, and you can freeze frame it and people can look through it. So previous page, and we've got home position. There's the home page. We can go into system settings, and you need the password for that. We're mainly going to play around here in the operation screen, which is right there. We've got a 2-cycle, 2-grind cycle programmed into it. The numbers aren't really right for production, but I just threw numbers up there to get a cycle of about 30 or 40 seconds. But all the table speeds will stay at 37 RPM. Feed rate's going to change 0.020, 0.006, 0.025, and then the final finish is 0.20, which doesn't make a lot of sense, but we just blow through a cycle and it works well. Stopping distance, same thing, 10 thousandths. Final dimension, 4 thousandths. Finished distance, 1 thousandths. That's before it goes into finish mode. So, like I said, it's not an accurate program, but it works just for the sake of running up the motor and the table and everything. So, here's table jog. Yeah, you're showing that. Table jog is right here. It's going to hit the dual palms, and that is at 37 right now. I'm going to hit table on with this switch in manual mode, and that's just on. And I can just hit spindle on. It's at 1000 setting just to show that manually I can do it. This all comes alive on the auto cycle anyhow. That's 1000, table off, spindle off. Hear the D cell. Comes down real nice and slow. Coolant we don't have to run right now, and the chuck is all on. So I'm just gonna put everything in auto. In manual, we can still run up and down. So let me move these over. Here's like mid-speed. Just kind of bring that over wherever we want to go. And go back this way. And that's the rapid button. I mean, show this. So yeah, here we go. It's this, and then you can hear it. Or I could just flip this up to 100% right here, and it's the same as rapid. Moving right out. And then up and down, of course, which is way more important, is the Z-axis right here off the pulse generator. And that's going in high. That's going there. Going back down. And really, if I want, I've already done this, but see the Z-axis home? I'm just going to hit it. And the head's going up. That's just to home it. And it's happy right there. And in manual, I can bring it right back down again. I think it'll go to the right position for my auto cycle. I've already called it out. I've zeroed it and given it the machine 0, which is this button right here. So that said, mag is on, everything's ready to go. I'm just going to jump into auto here. and run the cycle. We've got the interlocks for the doors turned off temporarily so we can show this on the camera. I'm gonna hit cycle start, auto, all my switches are in auto, so we should be good to go here. Let's see what we get. Yep, see the head move? It wants to go where it wants to go. Y's moving over where it wants to go, and this is grind 1, rough. At, what are we at? 800 RPM on the spindle, 37 on the table. When it jumps to finish, it'll jump up to 1,000 on the spindle. You can hear it. Right there. And if you come back a little bit, you'll see that we're in the finish mode right here. Okay. And I think we're going to see 2-cycle program ready. And as soon as that stops, now it says load cycle 2. So whatever you're going to do with your part, you flip it over, you load it, and all you do is hit cycle start again, and then we jump into these last 2, rough and finish right here. So there we go. Moves over, comes in. Dust collector turns on. Everything's on. Can't see it feeding really, but it is. We'll do this one more real quick and you can kind of zero in on the screen there and show the numbers. End of cycle. And we'll do one more just to show. We'll just do the ready grind 1. Just grind 1, auto cycle. Kind of see the numbers moving in the feed. There we go, starting. Down to 1.3. There's the position. Counting down from 10,000s, I believe, yep. Going down to 1,000, then it flip over to finish, I believe. There it is. Oh, at 4,000s. Final dimension was 4,000s, yep. And right back up. I'll do grind 2. It only takes a few cycles. Let's stay with it. One more. You can watch the screen. Here we go. Grind 2. There's our finish at 1,000 RPM. Pull back, all the lights are on, you kind of see everything. And finish up. Yep. Stopping, table stop. Spindle stop. We're good here. That's it.